Meaning of number 6 in numerology. Numerology meanings. The numerology number 6 is all about family, home, empathy, and relationships. It's the number of domesticity and stability, and its energies are focused on love, harmony, and nurturing. If your life path number is 6, you're probably a natural caregiver who enjoys being in relationships. You're likely to be very close to your family and friends, and you'll put their needs above your own. The numerology number 6 also symbolizes balance and beauty. Its energies are focused on creating harmonious environments both at home and at work. If you have a 6 in your numerology chart, you may find yourself drawn to creative pursuits like art or music. You may also have a strong interest in beauty, fashion, or interior design. The number 6 can also indicate a need for structure and routine in your life. You're probably a very orderly person, and you like to plan things out in advance. Your cautious nature may also require comfort in knowing that everything is under control. The number 6 can also represent a preference for working with others rather than going it alone. How do I calculate my life path number? In order to calculate your life path number, you will need to use your birth date. The life path number is derived from the sum of digits in your birth date, and it reveals your strengths, weaknesses, and life purpose. To calculate your life path number, simply add up the digits of your birth date until you arrive at a single-digit number. For example, if you were born on October 12, 1990, 10 plus 12 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 equals 41, 4 plus 1 equals 5. Therefore, your life path number would be a 5. You can also use a life path calculator. Once you have calculated your life path number, you can find out more about what it means by reading about the individual numbers, 1 to 9. Numerology life path number 6, who should avoid it? According to numerology, there are some people who should avoid those with life path number 6. These include people who are emotionally unstable, need a lot of attention, or are very negative. Those who are prone to jealousy or possessiveness may also want to avoid people with this life path number. Numerology number 6 career. What's your professional scope? If you're a numerology 6, you're probably in a career that helps others in some way. You might be a nurse, doctor, teacher, or counselor. You're likely to be drawn to occupations that involve caring for others, and you have a natural ability to heal both physically and emotionally. You excel at problem solving and are always looking for ways to improve things. You're a born leader, but you also work well as part of a team. You're loyal and reliable, always putting the needs of others first. Your professional scope is wide open. There are many career options that would suit your skills and interests. What are the personality traits of numerology 6? Traits and compatibility. There are many different ways that people can show their personality. However, there are certain traits that tend to be associated with the number 6. These include being loyal, reliable, and trustworthy. 6s also tend to be protective of their loved ones and can be quite compassionate. They often have strong values and convictions, which they are not afraid to stand up for. Overall, 6s tend to be very reliable people who others can always count on. Numerology compatibility of 6. Numerology compatibility of 6 can be a tricky business. The number 6 is all about balance, and in a relationship, it can often be difficult to find that perfect balance. However, if you are able to find a partner who complements your own energy, then a relationship with a number 6 can be extremely harmonious. Is 6 the perfect number for you? Here are a few things to keep in mind when considering a relationship with 6s. They need plenty of time for themselves and their own interests. If you're the type of person who likes to be constantly surrounded by your partner, a 6 is probably not the right match for you. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.